Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Jain and I am doing my AIML course from pre-grade. In this project, we will analyze a loan classifier dataset and build a random forest project to predict whether a person can take a loan or not. We have started this project by importing the libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Sklearn. In Sklearn, we have taken the label encoder, random forest classifier, accuracy score, confusion matrix, classification report, and this dataset contains customer details like age, job type, contact info, loan history, and the target columns called loan status label. By this code, we can read our CSV file. By head, we can show the first 5 rows that helps us to understand the structure. Info shows how many rows and columns are there, and rows name and data types and missing values. Shape shows the number of rows and number of columns. Null null shows how many zeros or null character are there in the CSV file. These commands help us to understand what columns I am working and whether any there cleaning or not required. This is a bar graph of a green and a red color which shows the loan status distribution of a loan. This is the loan status and this is a count. Here is a heat map of the of the dataset. This strongly shows that we can identify which feature influencer loan approval is the most. This is a big heat map because our dataset or a CSV file is very big and most many details are covered in that. This is the loan status by age. This describes how many people have taken the loans by their age. Here is a many of the people have taken the loan by in the age of their 31 age. This is a bar graph which shows how many people have taken their loans unmarried and married. Sorry. This dotted graph shows us the difference between the age and the campaign acts. This bar graph shows us the loan status by job type, that is management and others. Many of the loan is taken by the others while management has taken very less loan. This is the pair plot. This graph shows how numerical variables behave with respect to the target loan status. These are the numerical values in the age, campaign, P and previous. This is the dispersion of age by loan status. These are the ages and these are the loan status label. Many of the loan status are between the age like 20 to 60. These are the these are the mean, median, and mod values of the age, campaign, p-days, and previous. And these are the types. These are the percentages of the age, campaign, p-days, and previous in 0.25, 0.5, and 0.75, which means 25%, 50%, and 75%. These are this code is for the matrix of the age, camping, pre-days, and previous. These are the matrices. Here is the outliner detector by a box plot. This is the box plot which uh, which helps us to identify unusual and high or low values that may affect model accuracy. How this diagram shows how our model has been affected by which part. This is the regression line of the age versus campaign. This is the residual plot of the dotted graph with a line which shows the comparison of age versus camping. This is the joint plot in which this plot helps us to see how age has been related to the number of camping contacts. This is the age which is related to the number of campaign contacts. These are the numerical values that are present in the CSV file. These these numbers are related to numeric values, and these are the columns in the CSV file. Since machine learning models cannot work with text labels, so therefore I have converted them into numerical values. Since random forests build multiple decision trees and combine them to give a strong prediction, so that's why I have used random forest classifier. By firstly, I have imported pandas and Sklearn random forest classifier, train test split, and accuracy score and classification report. By first we have read the CSV file, and I have taken x and y for in which I have given x the drop to the status label, loan status label, and y as a default. I have trained the x model and taken a random forest classifier, estimators, and random state. I have estimated taken the 200 and state is equal to 42. We have fitted the model with a X train and Y train. We have predicted the model with the X test. Here we have written the code for the accuracy, which will tell us about the accuracy of the model by test and the prediction. And we have taken out the prediction of our model out of 100, which is coming 88.61. So in this project, I have explored the loan dataset, visualized important trends using graph, trained a random forest model, and evaluate its accuracy. This complete pipeline help in understanding customer behavior and predicting whether they can take a loan or not by their age. Thank you so much.